Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Holy Stone Mini Drone versus the Oddire Mini Drone. These two drones are packed with features and are perfect for both kids and adults. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is priced at $49, while the Oddire Mini Drone comes in at $48. Both drones are very affordable, offering great value for money. Now let's talk about the features. The Holy Stone Mini Drone boasts some impressive capabilities. It can perform toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. With adjustable speed settings, it can cater to pilots of all skill levels. Additionally, it has an altitude hold function, which allows it to hover at a fixed height. The drone also has a headless mode, making it easy to control for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the Oddire Mini Drone offers a unique 2-in-1 design. It can be transformed into a car mode by pressing the switch button. In car mode, it can move forward, turn left, and turn right. This feature adds a whole new level of excitement as it combines the thrill of flying a quadcopter with the experience of driving a racing car. The Oddire Mini Drone also comes with one-click takeoff and landing, stable altitude hover, 360-degree roll, and headless mode. Battery life is always an important factor to consider. The Holy Stone Mini Drone comes with 3 batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 21 minutes. This is great, as it ensures you won't be disappointed by a drained battery or have to wait for charging. Plus, it has a low battery power alarm to prevent any loss or damage due to low power. Meanwhile, the Oddire Mini Drone comes with 2 batteries, offering a battery life of 20 to 30 minutes. This is quite impressive and gives you plenty of time to enjoy flying or driving this versatile drone. When it comes to durability and safety, both drones have some great features. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is equipped with a full protection guard that isolates the propellers. This not only protects the drone from damage, but also ensures the safety of kids by preventing any accidents with spinning propellers. Similarly, the Oddire Mini Drone is made with high-quality, environmentally friendly materials, making it more durable. The 4 fan blades are also well protected, ensuring the safety of users. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Holy Stone Mini Drone for its affordability, flight capabilities, and battery life. The Oddire Mini Drone, on the other hand, has received positive feedback for its 2-in-1 design and user-friendly features. So there you have it, a comparison between the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the Oddire Mini Drone. Both drones offer unique features and are suitable for different preferences. The Holy Stone Mini Drone excels in its flight capabilities and battery life, while the Oddire Mini Drone stands out with its 2-in-1 design and user-friendly features. Ultimately, the choice between these 2 drones depends on your personal preferences and what you value the most. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.